In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password on Zoho Mail. Keeping your password up to date is an essential part of maintaining the security of your online accounts, and Zoho Mail makes it fairly simple to manage this process. So let's dive in and learn how to do this step by step. To start off, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Zoho Mail website. It's always a good idea to ensure that you're visiting the official Zoho site to avoid any phishing scams. Enter your credentials, if prompted, to log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. There, you'll see your profile picture or avatar icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with various options related to your account. From this menu, the next step is to click on the My Account option. Clicking here will take you to your account's main settings page, where you'll have access to a variety of settings related to your Zoho account, including the security settings we need to change your password. Once you're on the main account settings page, look for the security section and click on it. This section is crucial because it houses all the options necessary for managing and updating your account security credentials, including your password. After clicking on Security, you'll need to locate and click on the Change Password link. This will open the password change interface where you can update your password. Here, you'll be prompted to first enter your current password. This is an important security step that ensures it's really you making the changes and helps protect your account from unauthorized access. After entering your current password, you can enter your new password. When choosing a new password, make sure it's strong and secure. Use a combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to create a robust password that will be difficult for others to guess. Once you've typed in your new password, the next step is to confirm it. Enter the new password again in the confirmation field to ensure there are no typos and they match exactly. Finally, after completing these fields, click on the Change Password button to save your new password. This action will update your Zoho Mail account with the new password you just set. And that's it! You've successfully changed your password on Zoho Mail. Always remember to keep your passwords secure and change them regularly. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.